4, right?
4. That's what I'm yelling a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know, I got a story for you real quick about golf.
Yeah.
Teed off the other day, ball went right through one of my neighbor's windows.
And broke the window?
Shouldn't say it because I hadn't told them yet, but you know, guess I'm gonna be paying for that one.
You better do the right thing, girl.
That's all right. Hey, let's talk about golf. I bet these people are better golfers than I am. But hey, golf is such a fun sport, isn't it? Anybody else out there play? Let us know. Tweet us. Look at this. Valero Texas Open, San Antonio, Texas, 66.